Welcome to UNV Academy. In this episode, we are going to introduce system configuration on EZStation. Before the introduction, let's have a quick look at user management and operation log. Let's get started. The first is user management. Here is the user management panel. We can add, edit, or delete users and configure the user's permission here. Admin is the super administrator and cannot be deleted. To add a user, click Add. We can see two user levels. Administrator can only be added by admin, and it has all permissions by default. We can cancel the permissions manually. For certain permissions, we can also specify the devices on the right. Then enter the username and password, and confirm the password. We can add the user successfully. The next one is operator. It can be added by admin or administrator with user management permission. An operator has no permission by default, and we can add permissions manually. Now we have created a user. We can double-click it, or select it on the list to edit or delete it. For users that lack permissions, menus may be grayed out or hidden. In this case, please contact admin if necessary. Next is operation log. Let's move on to the operation log panel. This page enables you to collect all the operation logs with one click. Here are all the operation logs of your EZStation. And we can filter the logs based on search criteria like username, object, device name, etc. We will go with object. All the eligible logs are shown below. We can click a header to sort records in ascending or descending order. At the button, we can choose the number of records displayed per page from this list. Click Export. We can export search results to our PC as a CSV file. To filter other logs, click Reset. Then we can reselect the filter criteria. Finally, system configuration. In this panel, we can configure video, system, and operation-related parameters for EZStation. On the video page, we have multiple options of play mode, stream type, and display mode for live video. More functions for the live view window are found below. For example, if short PTZ control is enabled, a PTZ control panel attached to the live view window will be available when we added a PTZ camera. Then, under Snapshot and Recording, you can configure the related parameters, such as the file format and save path. Pose OSD configuration is also supported on EZStation. What's more, some parameters for the system, including startup, log, and maintenance, can be configured. Here, we can import configurations with a configuration file on our PC, or export the configurations to our PC as a file, which can be used to align the parameters of different EZStation accounts with the same version. Besides, we can set the operation configurations. For example, we can set alarm sound duration and different sounds for different alarm types, or customize the length of the video before or after the alarm happened for playback. Next, we can enable or disable auto time sync. Once enabled, the software will synchronize the PC's system time to cameras at the interval that we set below. Furthermore, to get alarm-triggered email notifications, we can set up the available email addresses here. Finally, click Default. We can restore values to the default in this interface. That's all for today's learning. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.